Hi everyone, my name is Akshaya Kavle. I'm a nature and animal communicator and a tarot card reader from India. And now I integrate both these modalities to help me connect better with nature and animals around me. In one of the previous videos, we discussed how tarot card readings are more about the energy of the cards and not limited to the meanings that we have learned of the cards. In this video, I'm going to share with you a little bit about how to understand the energy of the cards as well. So let's get into it. Like always, take your cards, cleanse them and charge them. As you hold your cards in your hand, take a deep breath and focus a few minutes on grounding your energy along with the energy of the cards. As you do your grounding activity, ensure that you feel the cards to the best of his ability. You ensure that you understand the weight of the card, how they feel in your hands. If you are able to visualize the cards even with your eyes closed, and ensure that you are able to engage and involve all your senses in this process so that your energies are deeply connected with each other, and it will get easier for you to read the cards along with its energy and not just simply the meaning that the card is emoting or sharing with us. Once you have grounded yourself and connected energetically with your cards, then you can start shuffling your cards. As you shuffle your cards, clearly focus on the question that you wish to ask. I would highly recommend to focus on just one thing at a time, because that will give you a clear answer and will not confuse you and make your thoughts scattered, because that will reflect in the cards as well. Remember, the cards will not only pick up on the energy of the querent if you're doing the communication for someone else, but will also pick up your energy, because these are your cards. They're connected to you and they're answering to you on behalf of your client or your querent. So it's very important that we are mindful of our energy whenever we are working with our tarot cards as well. Once we're focused on the one question we wish to ask our cards, then we lay out the cards. Now again, like always, I would highly recommend that you lay out just one card at a time so that you're really able to do this activity and understand the energy of that specific card, depending and connecting to the question that you wish to ask. So if you remember in the previous video, I shared with you that every question, situation, reader, querent's energy will all impact the energy of the card, and hence we want to ensure that this time when we are reading the card energetically, we are able to focus on that one question, taking into account all these other factors that I just mentioned. So as you lay out your cards, focus on the card, look at the card, see what the card has to share with you. Whatever the card is, just take a few moments to feel the card. So say for example, you have the Lovers card in front of you. Just feel the card. What is the card telling you? What are the pictures on the card sharing with you? Despite the fact that it says lovers, is there any other meaning to it? Is it only about two people in love, or is it about options? Is it about duality? Is it about choices? Is it about fulfillment? Is it about something that completes us? Not necessarily a romantic relationship, but something that fulfills our life, our purpose, and makes us feel complete. Think over these things, connecting to the question that you have asked. Once you have clearly understood the energy of the card through this practice, then relate it to the meaning that you have learned. Now, please make sure that you are guided by your intuition and you are not sticking just to the meanings. Of course, if you get like a completely contradictory message from the meanings you have learned, you can dismiss it. However, in most cases that won't happen, so don't worry about it. The basis will always be the fundamental meanings that we have learned, but the interpretations will be largely different, very unique to the question, to the situation, to the querent, and to the reader. So ensure that you feel the energy, you vibe with the card, and then you associate it to the answer that the card is giving to you energetically. This is how I practice connecting with the energy of the cards. I hope you enjoyed watching the video and found it helpful. If you have any further tips and tricks to connect to the energy of the cards or understand the energetic connection and meanings, please do mention it in the comment section below. Do try this out, let me know how it goes, and until the next video, bye bye.